Hey, it's Gina from WTI. Disasters are on the rise, and that's why it's so important to be prepared, because you never know when you might have to leave at a moment's notice. That's why I'm so happy that we have this 2-person bug out bag from Emergency Zone. Trying to put together an emergency or go bag can be daunting because there's so many different items that you need for survival. I love that the work is already done for me. There are so many things about this bag that are outstanding, but one of the things I think does set it apart from other survival kits is that it's not a bright red or orange color that screams, "I'm a survival kit!" Also, you would think that with enough emergency supplies to last you and another person for 3 days that it would be extremely heavy, but it's only 25 pounds. I'm 5'4", 130 pounds. I was able to adjust the straps on the shoulders, waist, and chest in order to accommodate my height. I found it to be comfortable and not too heavy to wear for a long time. My husband is 6 foot, and again, he was able to adjust everything so that the pack was still comfortable for him to wear. We live in a rainy area of the Pacific Northwest, so I especially appreciated that it does have a rain shield that you can take out of the bottom and protect the contents of the bag from any kind of downpour. I thought the pack had a lot of really cool additions to it, like on the chest strap, there is a flint and a whistle. It has everything that we need to keep going in a wilderness or to blend in an urban area. Hopefully we won't have to face a life-threatening disaster, but if we do, it gives me peace of mind to know that I have this bag ready to go. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.